Hello everyone, I'm Baz and I'm running for the Activities Officer post in the upcoming elections. I'm here studying sport and exercise science in the Carwyn James building. Also, for the last 2 years of my degree, I've been on the men's football committee. Watch this. If elected as Activities Officer, I intend to push for more money for both sports teams and societies from the grant funding process. I want to use technology such as an app to help bring the Guild into the 21st century. I want to push for more facilities for sports teams. One example of this is floodlights for Vicarage Road. I'm going to provide more events for societies, including a Societies Week. I also want to build on the idea of recirculating any money not spent by clubs into the clubs that need it. I want to help the Guild move forward and make the student union a more pivotal place in the student experience. And also, I'm going to do super teams, societies only. I want to help sports and societies continue to develop and put my own stamp on the position. Sorry. My own stamp.